Okay, so this is your first lesson for trombone. So I'm going to teach you how to just put together your instrument and put it back. So there are straps or buttons to press basically on the top of your trombone depending on what you have. I have these buttons, and if I push them to the right, it releases it. So I do that with both, and I have a clip in the middle that I lift up, and I let that slowly go down. So now there are three parts to the trombone. You have the bell, you have the slide, and you have the mouthpiece. So what I do first is I take out the bell and I stand it up like this. Then I carefully take out the slide and I slide it in. Now you want to be careful here because this can easily come out. It's not screwed in yet. So what you want to do first is lift up the thing to keep it tight. I lift it down, and you want to screw it in until it's really tight. Make sure that slide isn't falling off. Now that you have the trombone, you want to push the slide till it's looking kind of like an L. And the bell is on the left. So this is how your trombone should be put together. And then the last thing you want to do before you put the mouthpiece in is take the lock for the trombone and twist it to the right. Make sure it doesn't come out. So now you can get your mouthpiece, and you want to just push it into the small hole. Make sure it's tight. And you have your trombone. So this is where you tune it. I'm not gonna do anything with that. This is where you really spit. So don't just do it anywhere. And this is how you hold a trombone. So you want to kind of make it look like a Nike symbol. So I have the three fingers at the bottom curled, and the pointer finger pointing kind of like a Nike symbol with the thumb. So now that you have this, you have to just hold it here, and you can kind of just slide it in, and it will look like you're holding a trombone correctly. So now that you're holding with the left hand correctly, to move the slide, all you have to do is move the lock to the left. If you want to play, you want to hold it, and you want to hold like a crab pinch, pointer and middle finger, and then thumb underneath, and grip it. And then the last thing to do before you can start playing your instrument is learn how to have correct embouchure. So you want to press your lips together, like you really try to press your lips together, and just use your tongue and go like two. Like if I'm playing two into the trombone, it sounds like this. That's called tonguing. So that is how you play your trombone. So once you're done with your lesson or with what you're playing, first thing you want to do is take off the mouthpiece. So you can unscrew it, you can twist it. Take it off, you put that back, which is in this little area here, right there. Close that. So then I want to unscrew the bell from the slide. So now that it's unscrewed, I have my bell. I'm going to put the bell right here. So it rests, there's a little spot right there that it rests in. So now I lift up this area, and there is one more thing. So this is slide oil. So I can actually still do this because I still have this. So slide oil is it's strong. You don't want to use too much. You don't want to just keep using it. It can make it rusty. It can make it bad. So you want to unscrew it and also make sure not to consume it. It has petroleum, which is deadly. You want to put a drop here and maybe like a drop here and a drop here, and it's gonna fall down, and then you can just go, and my side is very bad right now, but with the slide oil, it really helps. So after that, I'm just gonna put the slide oil away, which is where I put the mouthpiece. I left up the slide place holder, and I put it back, I lift it, I hold both together so one side doesn't fall. I close it, put the strap back, put in the two clips by just pushing it down until I hear the click. And you can just walk around like this. And when you want to put it away, don't try to put it away like this. It's easily going to fall. If you need to, then do it. I like to hold it like this. It's a lot more stable. And if you have a lower bathroom like I do, then you put it on the floor. And we haven't given you lockers yet, but if you have a locker, you hold it and you just move it in and make sure it's safe there. And then lock your locker. Okay, thank you for the first lesson, and bye.